In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a poster in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to open Adobe Express. You want to go to the top left and click on this plus button over here, and then here you want to switch over to Create. Now from here, of course, you'll be able to find kind of a poster template, okay? It's going to be like a size over here. As you can see, you have logos, flyers, Instagram stories, etc. And if you scroll down, you'll see a poster. Now, of course, if you can't see it for some reason, you could also go to the top right here and type in a poster, and then it's going to pop up just like this, okay? Now what you have to do here is simply click on where it says poster, and then there we go, it's going to start getting everything ready. And from here, the top left, you can see you have a few options. Now you could go and start from complete scratch over here, or you could go and generate a template, or just go and basically select any of these templates over here, which can also be used if you want to, okay? So for example, I'm going to click on generate template over here. You could just go and type in whatever prompt you want to get, and you'll be able to basically generate a kind of a template for your poster as well, okay? So that's kind of how this works. Of course, you're going to have to use AI for this, and this is going to use credits as it says over here, but you can do this, and of course, if you want to, you can easily create your posters that way. So let me actually open these posters up right now. There we go. If you want to start from scratch though, you could also do this, and over here on the left, you have a bunch of things you can do. You can add content like media, elements, charts, etc. Text, you can upload stuff and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna add some text for the beginning over here. I'm gonna click on text. I'm gonna add a title, and then this one's gonna be tutorial poster, okay? Very unique, but still you get the point. So I'm going to go ahead and move this up top like this. Super simple and convenient. You can of course go ahead and change this. You have different fonts over here which you can change to. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can change colors, etc. So it's completely up to you. I'm going to actually go and view these fonts over here, and I'm going to select this one. There we go. This looks a bit fancier, okay? Now from here you can then of course go and add different things. You can upload files by clicking here and selecting your files from your folders on your computer. You could go over here to where it says add content, and you can go and add media on here as well. There's going to be some photos and videos you're going to have in here as well you can search for. Then you're going to have some elements, so you can go and of course add different design assets. You have backgrounds. You can add on shapes by simply just like clicking, or of course you could also use the click and drag option. These are the two options to actually add them on here, and you can then go and build out your content however you want, okay? Now, of course, the poster is going to be different depending on what you're trying to achieve. Just make sure you don't actually put any animations on here because, of course, whenever you have your poster ready to be exported and, of course, use whatever you want to use it, you won't actually be able to use the animation, okay? So make sure they are solid things, not actual animations. And then also here you have charts and grids. You can search for them. You can see up top there's different categories. You could always go and click on view all over here. You can search for a specific thing you're looking for, and then you can change things like brands over here. You can of course get started with templates, which we covered earlier. You could go and style it. You could go and do different add-ons, etc. Okay, now if I click on this, for example, there we go. As you can see, it's gonna give it a specific style, which is also quite cool. Up top, you have the edit page button. As you can see in here, it's going to allow you to basically edit everything if you click on that button. And yeah, that's essentially pretty much how to do this and how to use it. Now, if at any point you want to resize it, you can click on here, you can resize and then hit the resize button at the bottom right here, and you'll be good to go. So that's essentially how to create a poster in Adobe Express. It's actually super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.